catch 'em all.
Welcome to my messy garage. Actually, you have to excuse my garage. But I'm here with another episode. Getting these bikes ready. So I'm gonna bless you with a cold start of the ZX10 first. Let's see. Yeah, I put the battery in a week and a half ago. So it's still a little cold at night. So what I got today is I'm gonna put this wheel on, the back wheel, carbon fiber wheel. You got the just transferred over the wheel speed sensor. Of course, I went with a lightweight rotor. This is my first time trying these out. I did also, since I'm getting a new rotor, I replaced the brake pads. So the ones that came on the bike was Brembo. I'll show those a little bit later. But I believe I got the same ones, HH, and these are ceramic. I also got these LighTech chain adjusters, and trust me, I spent a lot of time deciding whether I should get these things or not, because $250 for these chain adjusters. Yeah, I went back and forth. You know, they really screw us with these motorcycles by having these parts, you know. Some of this crap we don't need, but it is important to align your front wheel or your rear wheel to have it even. So I got it while I had it off. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get them. I had someone that was gonna give me theirs, and what happened was, I apologize, my phone, my buddy called me. He's supposed to be selling his bike, so he don't have nothing to put in place if he give me his. So yeah, I also got the Pitbull tire wedge that's gonna go in place of this lovely plank of wood here. Yeah, just got that. So that's gonna go. So yeah, I'm gonna put this wheel on, get the chain all set. So just getting the Aprilia final touches. I believe I got to do an oil change too. Alright, so these are the brake pads that originally came on my Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory on the rear. Not really used up a lot. There's some scarring though. But those are the ones, the Brembos. Double H. Still in pretty good shape, but since I'm getting a new surface, that's why I replaced the rear brakes. Brake pads, rather. So I got the double H centered brakes to replace them. The material is ceramic. Okay, so with this LighTech chain adjuster, first thing I had to do is I already got the wheel off. So what I have to do is take the nut off, the adjuster nut. I'm gonna take this off, getting rid of this. It's a long screw. Almost. Alright, so we got that off. This is a screw that we got to replace it. It's gonna go right here. Make sure it fits. Need some Loctite, the medium Loctite. I might go with the red, but we'll see. Okay, so with the chain adjuster, this is how it's gonna fit. Just did a test fit. Gonna go right here. This screw right here goes right there. We need Loctite on these two screws, not necessarily on this one. I still might put a little medium Loctite on there, and I just have to fix this bracket on here. So yeah, it looks relatively simple. Just on this other side, I have to make sure that it's not going to interfere with my the bracket here for the rear rotor. It shouldn't, but that's how that one looks going on. All right, we got the other side on. It's locked tight. Put some Loctite on these screws. So this little bracket, that's how it looks. So I'm just gonna tighten these screws up here. Get nice and tight. Right. Go back over here to this other side. And make sure we tight here. Oh yeah. All right, it's all good. Okay, so one thing I do recommend when you put in these chain adjusters is they're precise by them having these clicks. What I suggest you do is, because they were all the way back, you want them all the way forward first, and do both of them all the way forward. That way you know you have the bike aligned, the rear wheels aligned perfectly. Yeah, because there's no way that's going all the way back there, of course, with the chain on. So I put mine at like 20, but I still need to go up some. Now, okay, so this is at 0, absolute 0. Come around here to the other side. And that's at 0. So that's my starting point. So got the chain around the sprocket. So now I just gotta button this up. Yeah, this is the Pitbull tire wedge. Great tool when you're trying to take your wheel on and off. This knob right here makes it go up and down. So yeah, it holds the tire in place real good. So just about got the axle in here. Trusted rubber mallet. We are good. Just gotta tighten the chain up, even the wheel. It's always rough getting the chain around before you put your tire through to get caught on this seal here, but relatively everything went very good. So I'm gonna tighten everything up. All right, so we got the finished product here. The chain, 520 conversion chain with superlite sprocket. I got the factory gearing. Added the LighTech chain adjusters. It's a good addition, the chain adjusters, even though I didn't want to spend that money. This little part. It is built good quality, solid. So take a look at the other side here. Got the superlite rotor, carbon fiber wheel finally on. Rotobox Boost, carbon fiber wheel. I added well, I got it with the red Rotobox decal and red valve stem. I just added nice little red decal, bring it out. So the next video you should see, probably it's going to be an overview of the bike, just to show you all the upgrades and changes that I did for the for this upcoming motorcycle season. Got some new rubber on here, the factory Pirelli Super Corsa SP tire. Got 200 in the rear, 190 in the front. Thanks for viewing. I'm gonna go ahead and end this right here. Stay safe riding.